In the last session, we have seen setting a path by using set command in the command prompt. By using set command inside a command prompt. If you are setting a path in the command prompt by using set command, that will be visible only to the current command prompt. One way of setting a path that is local to the command prompt. Local to the command prompt. Local to the command prompt. It will not be visible to other command prompts. How to set a path? How to set a path for all the command prompts, for every command prompt, for all the command prompts, for every command prompt. Something like setting a path one time, it should be available. It should be available. It should be visible. It should be available. It should be visible to every command prompt. To every command prompt. Set a path permanently one time that should be visible to every command prompt. Yesterday, we set a path through set command. While setting a path through set command, that is visible to only one command prompt, that is visible to current command prompt. Let us see once again. Go to the window E, D drive, July batch, JDK, again JDK, bin folder. In this bin folder, Java C command and Java command both are available. Java C and Java. Control C. I'm copying this. If you are setting this path in the command prompt by using set command, then that will be visible to only one command prompt. Visible to only one command prompt. That will not be visible to other command prompts. Go to the command prompt. Window R CMD. Let's go for set space path is equal to set space path is equal to Control V or right click and paste. Control V or right click and paste. Now you can able to trigger Java C command. But this is possible only in the current command prompt. This is not possible in other command prompts. This is not possible in other command prompts. Possible only in the current command prompt. Not possible to other command prompts. Not possible to other command prompts. Let me open a new command prompt. It's a new. Let me trigger Java C command. Not visible here. Path is not visible over here. Again, you need to set a path. Now path is visible. If you go for one more command prompt, again you need to set. For every command prompt, you need to set a path. For every command prompt, You need to set a path. Let me trigger JavaC. Set a path. Understanding? How we can set a path globally one time, which should be visible to every command prompt. So close all the command prompts, everybody. Setting a path globally. Setting a path globally. In this PC, you can see in the Windows Explorer, left side there is a this PC. Left side there is a this PC. Open the Windows Explorer. In the Windows Explorer, you can see left side this PC. Right click. Right click on this PC. In the Windows Explorer, left side you can find this PC. In the Windows Explorer, on the left side you can see this PC. Right click, go to properties. Right click, go to properties. This PC, right click, go to properties. In the properties, you can see advanced system settings. You can see advanced system settings. Advanced system settings. Under advanced system settings, environment variables. Environment variables. Under environment variables, upper section, bottom section. There are two sections available. Upper section and bottom section. Upper section is a user level section. Bottom section is a system level section. Upper section user level, bottom section system level. Under user level, you can see path. Under user level, you can see path. Select the path. Click on edit. Under user level means upper section. In the upper section, there is a path. Under upper section, there is a path. Select a path. Click on edit. Click on edit. Go to the new. While clicking on new, you'll be getting a blank line in the bottom. There is one blank line. Go for Control V. Total JDK bin path. Total JDK bin path. the total JDK bin path. You can paste it. Then click OK in all the windows. Click OK in every window. In all the windows, click OK. Click OK in every window. Now open a new command prompt. Check it out, JavaC command. Open a command prompt. Type CMD. Trigger JavaC command. We did not set a path here, but running very successfully. I'm showing one more time. Window E. Go to the D drive. Go to Softwares folder. In the Softwares folder, you can find JDK. In the JDK folder, you can find one more JDK. Inside this bin folder. So copy this. Alt D, Control C. Now, in the left side, you can see this PC. You can find this PC in the left side. Left side, this PC. Right click. On top of this PC, right click. Properties. Advanced system settings. Environment variables. Environment variables. Under environment variables, there are two sections available, upper one and lower one. Upper one is a user. Almost in every system, in the upper one and in the bottom one, path will be. By any chance, if path is not there, go to the new. If by any chance path is not there, go to the new, mention name as a path, value as a JDK bin, if there is no path. In most of the systems, path will be. If path is there, select the path. Select the path. Click on edit. Go to the new. You will be getting one blank line in the bottom. Go for Control V. Click on OK in every window. Click on OK in every window. After clicking on OK in every window, open a new command prompt. This is very important. After setting in the PC, you had to use a new command prompt, not the old one. You had to use a new command prompt, not the old one. New command prompt. If any command prompt already opened, that will not be knowing whatever path you already set in the PC. Please observe, open a new command prompt, window or CMD. Trigger Java C with a version. Trigger Java with a version. Not only in this command prompt, even one more, window or CMD. Java C hyphen version. Java hyphen version. Any number of command prompts. Even this path setting will be visible after restarting also. After restarting the system, path will be available. No need of setting path. You can keep using same path forever. As long as operating system is working, you can keep using path. Whenever operating system is formatting, then path will be erasing. If operating system is uninstalling, formatting, then path will be erasing. It will be available even after restarting. I'm closing all the windows. Please observe. Globally in the PC, if you are setting a path, then that path will be visible. That path will be visible for all the command prompts. I'll show you the location. This PC, right click, properties, advanced system settings, environment variables, select a path, click on edit. If you observe in my system, 3 times I set a path here. 3 times I set a path. I don't want all these 3 times. Same path. Duplicated 3 times. I'm removing. Select any entry. Click on delete. One more I'm removing. Only one is there. One is sufficient. Click OK in all the windows. Window R, CMD, Java C with a version, Java with a version, Java C command and Java command. Compilation and running, both are super success. Even after restarting also, this path will be available. This is the second way of setting a path. Through this, we addressed limitation of first way. What was the first way? Setting a path in the command prompt. That will be visible only to the current command prompt. That will not be visible to other command prompts. If you are setting a path in the PC, that will be available to all the command prompts. Even after restarting also, you can treat as a forever as long as you are using a system. whenever formatting, whenever operating system is formatting, at the time only path setting will be erased. Path setting will be erased whenever you are formatting in system. Understood? This is second way. So let me show one more time the location to understand the limitation of second way. So everybody please follow me. This PC, right click, properties, advanced system settings, environment variables, environment variables. See, there are two sections here. First section, user variables for Dell. In my system, user account is a Dell. You can see your user account name on top of the first section. User variables for a username. User variables for a username. Second one, system variables. User variables, system variables. User variable means for one user, one specific user, for one login user. Generally, laptop will have multiple user accounts. Laptop might have multiple user accounts. There may be multiple user accounts. If you are setting a path in one user account, that will not be visible to other user accounts. If you are setting a path through set command, that is visible to only one command prompt, that is not visible to other command prompts. Same way, if we are setting a path under one user variable, if you are setting a path under one user, that path will be visible to only current user. That path will not be visible to other users. Laptop might have multiple users. System might have multiple users. Laptop might have multiple users. For all the users, this way of setting a path not visible, only for one user, whoever is a current user. In my system, current user is a Dell. Dell user only will be using this path even after restarting also. Dell user only. Even after restarting also, Dell user only. Not other users. Only Dell user, not other users. Other users cannot use path. User level means for one user only. User level means for only one user. Only one user. User level means only one user. Only for one user, not for the multiple users. Only for one user, not for the multiple users. So let us consider in my system, I am using Dell account. One more person also using my laptop. He is using some ABC account. Two users, two login accounts. Dell is a 1, ABC is a 1. I set a path under Dell, then ABC user cannot see. I set a path under Dell, ABC user cannot see. Please observe. If Dell user setting a path, that will be visible to only Dell user. ABC user will not be. Remember one point. System can be allocated to multiple users. Laptop can be allocated to multiple users. Maybe you and your brother using same system. Then you can create two accounts. One for you, one for your brother. Two user accounts. If you are entering into your system with your account and creating some path environment variable under user level, then your brother cannot see. If your brother is setting some path environment variable, you cannot see. It is a user-wise privacy. User level. For one user only. Remember, system can have multiple user accounts. I already discussed. You and your brother both are using same laptop. In the same laptop, you can create two user accounts. One for you, one for your brother. In your user account, if you create anything, that will not be visible to your brother. If your brother is creating something, that will not be visible to you. Privacy to user. User level. So maybe, if you consider 20-25 years before, systems cost was very more heavy. Companies were asking 3 employees using one system. 3 employees using same system in 3 different shifts. Out of 24, 8 hours each one shift. Morning shift, one person using. In the evening shift, another person, same system. Night shift, different person, same system. System is saying 3 different users at different intervals, at different shifts, morning, evening, night. Morning shift person, he is having one user account. Evening person having one user account. Night person having a different user account. System is saying 3 different accounts, 3 different peoples are working in the same system in 3 different timings. They are sharing 8 hours in a day. One system, multiple user accounts. If morning shift person creating a path environment variable under user level, then afternoon person, night person cannot see. If any afternoon person creating a user level configuration, that cannot be visible to morning person and night person. If night person is creating any user level configuration, that will not be visible to morning person and afternoon person. User level partition, privacy. User level partition, user level privacy. User level partition, user level privacy. Understanding or? Any confusion? User level. For one user only, limited to one user. So this is a kind of advantage. We are getting a security privacy. In one way, we can see as a limitation. In another way, we can see as a advantage. In one way, limitation. What is the limitation? Your settings are not visible to other users. It's a kind of limitation. Same, you can consider as a advantage. Your privacy settings are not visible to other people. Your privacy settings, your own private settings, not visible to others. So, in one way, it is a limitation. In another way, it's a biggest advantage. Advantage. Whatever settings you are doing, those are not visible to other users. Let us consider you set a path under Dell, ABC user, another user, same system, another user. If he comes to know your settings, he may remove, he may remove, he may modify your settings, not advisable to visible to other users. Your settings not advisable to other users. Yes or no? Very important. Very, very important. So user level limitation is for a particular user. The biggest advantage is achieving security. Your settings are not visible to others. Always user level only recommended. User level only recommended, even though there is a limitation. That limitation you can treat as the biggest advantage. With respect to security, it is the biggest advantage. With respect to security, it is the biggest advantage. This is the second approach, second way of setting a path. User specific setting a path. Let's move to third way. Let's move to the third way. Last way. The third way of setting a path is global to the system for every user, not for one user, not for current user, for all the users of the same system. For all the users of same system, for all the users of same system. Biggest scope, widest scope. Same way, go to the right click on this PC, properties, advanced system settings, environment variables. After coming to the screen, setting a path in the lower section. Lower section is for system level, global to all the users. Same location, but in the lower section, it is for entire system, not for one user. It is for entire system, not for one user. Entire system, not for one user. Entire system, not for one user. In the bottom section, there is a path, everybody. In the bottom section, there is a path. This will be applicable to every valid user of same system. For this system, whoever valid users are there, everybody can enjoy with setting of system level path, lower section path. Select the path, click on edit. Select the lower section path, lower section path, click on edit, go to the new. Go to the new. Go for Control V. If you click OK in all the windows, then path is configuring. But don't do this one. We already set in the user level. Isn't required once again in the system level. I'm just showing the place, making you to understand what is the meaning of system level. System level means global to all the users. System level, global to every user. Global to every user. So don't click OK, cancel. We don't want this one. It is not recommended approach. Cancel all the windows, everybody. Setting a path which will be visible to other users, not recommended. Other users may do some changes. Why do you want losing security? Why do you want to show your configuration to other users? Why do you want to show your configuration to other users? Your configuration to other users. It is very recommended to set a path in the second way. It's very recommended to set a path in the second way. That is user level. User level. User level. User level. So let us see one more time. Command prompt level, command prompt voice, command prompt level. That is set command. User level. For one user, in the PC upper section, for one user. The total system, entire system, for all the users, entire system, for all the users, for every user, entire system, for all the users, entire system, that is in the PC lower section, the PC lower section. Now here, yesterday we have seen echo. Echo is used for reading a value of path, reading a value of environment variable. Path is an environment variable. Echo command is used for reading any environment variable value. Whenever you are triggering echo command, it reads path value from user level and also from system level. Come on guys. Whenever you are triggering echo command gives values of path from user and path from system. Echo command reading built-in path. System level whatever path is there, user level whatever path is there, both it will be reading. Go for window R, type CMD, window R, type CMD, echo percentage path percentage. So you can see the last entry. This is the JDK bin whichever we set under user level. This description, all these entries are combination of system level path and user level path. You know very well about user level path, visible to you only. System level path for all the users. System level path is a common for every user. User level path is specific to a particular user. Whenever you go for echo path, it is giving both system level. Anyhow, system level applicable for every user. System level applicable for every user. That is why for every user, system level is coming, and for you, your specific path, your specific user path. So please observe. Window or type CMD echo space percentage path percentage. To read any environment variable, we have to use echo command. We are using echo command. By using echo command, we can able to read any environment variable value. This is all about path environment variable. Every point we have seen related to path. Totally 3 different ways are there to set a path. Command wise, user wise, system wise. Command wise through set command. User wise, upper section in the PC. System wise, for all the users, lower section in the PC. Lower section in the PC. One very important observation, everybody. A very important observation. System level configuration using by operating system internally for its functionality purpose. System level usage not recommended. System level, don't do any kind of changes. System level changes not recommended. It is using by operating system. User level exclusively provided to you. You can do anything under user level. Don't touch system level, not recommended. First of all, we are losing a security while setting anything under system level. Second one, we are trying to do something where operating system using extensively. All system level variable values are exclusively for the operating system. Why do you want to disturb the operating system? If something is going wrong, the total operating system will not be functioning. That is why no need of doing anything under system level. Always go for user level. Once you set the user level path, that will be available as long as your user is existing. Whenever formatting the system, user is removing. This is completely a path variable. Totally path variable. We set a path permanently for one user. We set a path permanently for one user. Now, the total software setup is done. Software setup, like a downloading, installation, configuration. That configuration is nothing but a path. Software setup is done. Software setup is done. We installed Edit Place, which is used for composing Java programs. We installed WinRAR, which is used for compressing and uncompressing. We installed JDK, which is main software. Afterwards, we set a path in order to run the commands from any location. We observed each and every point related to commands. The next one is updating a path. Next one is developing a Java programs. Go to any other drive if you have it. If you have any other drive, go to another drive, another drive. It can be D drive or it can be E drive. D drive or E drive. D drive or E drive. See, in my system, C drive allocated to operating system, D drive allocated to downloads and installations. I'm choosing E drive. I'll create one folder. Everybody, please follow me. Create one folder, July 2023 development. Try creating one folder. In that folder, every letter should be in the lowercase. Every letter should be in the lowercase. In this folder, I will develop a simple Java program. Our first Java program. There are 3 steps to be followed. Everybody. There are 3 steps to be followed in order to develop a Java program. Compose Java program. This is the first step. Second step, compile Java program. Third step, run. These are the 3 steps we had to follow for every Java program. There are totally 3 steps available. Compose, compile and run. Compose, compile and run. What is meant by compose? Compose is nothing but writing a program, developing a program, coding a program, typing a program. Type, code, develop, write a program, code a program, type is called as a compose. Compose Java program. So we will be developing a Java program. Compose. What is meant by compile? Compile, compilation. This can be done through Java C command. Yesterday we have seen running Java C command. Compilation, compilation, compiling, compiling. Compilation can be done. Compilation can be done through Java C command. Java C command. The last one, run. Running can be done through Java command. Running can be done through Java command. For every Java program, compile through Java C, run through Java command. Run through Java command. We already created one folder. Try developing the programs in this folder. Compose a program in this folder. Developing a Java program. Guys, in order to compose, in order to develop, in order to write, code, type, we required an editor. In the first day, we have installed Edit Plus. Go to the desktop. Go to the desktop. Double click on Edit Plus. Everybody, there is a Edit Plus in the desktop. Double click. You are getting this type of window. Click on yes. Are you getting this type of window? Click OK. OK. You may not be getting this. If at all you are getting this also, click on yes. Are you getting this window? Username and registration code. First time only you will be getting this. Just click on trial. Everybody, click on trial. Click on trial. Then click on I agree for 30 days. I agree for 30 days. After 30 days, just to bring this pop-up window to the bottom and keep working. For 30 days, you can click on I agree. After 30 days, bring this pop-up window to the bottom and keep working. I am using this for the past 20 years. No need of buying any license. Click on I agree for 30 days. Edit Plus is opened. Go to the file, new Java. File, new Java. Automatically you will be getting basic Java code, minimum Java code. This code is required for every program. For every program, this code is required. So this is like a class. In the object-oriented programming languages, class is very common. In Java, every program required a class. In Java, every program required a class. Generally, in all object-oriented programming languages, you will find a class. Class is a mandatory to achieve object-oriented programming concepts. In Java, class is a mandatory for every program. Class is a mandatory for every program. No matter whether you are achieving object-oriented or non-object-oriented. If you go to Python, class is not a mandatory for every program. Whenever you are trying to achieve object-oriented, there only you will be using class. Otherwise, class is not required in Python. Several programming languages are like that. But in Java, no matter of object-oriented or non-object-oriented, whatever it may be, class is mandatory. In every Java program, class is a mandatory. Generally, class is a word for object-oriented programming. In order to achieve object-oriented programming, class is required. In Python, class is not required in every program. Whenever you are trying to achieve object-oriented programming, then only class is required in Python. Even in JavaScript also, even in C++ also. For every program, class is not mandatory. But in Java, for every program, class is mandatory. No matter whether you are achieving object-oriented programming or developing a program for non-object-oriented programming features. So first day itself, no one can develop object-oriented programs. Definitely, a lot of learning is required before going through class and object. You need to know variables, you need to know operators, you need to know literals, you need to know conditional statements, loops. These and all non-object oriented programming concepts. In C, C++ and even in Python, JavaScript, you can use variable without a class. You can use operator without a class. You can develop a if block without a class. You can develop a for loop without a class. Whereas in Java, every program required a class. Every program required a class. That is why Edit Plus is providing a default class. This required a name. Everybody, just to give a name, rest of the things already we have. Just to give a name. Whenever you are giving a name to the class, first letter keep in the uppercase. It is a convention to be followed. Not a mandatory, but a convention, standard. First letter in the uppercase, class name. First letter in the uppercase. It's not a mandatory, but it is a convention or a standard. So please observe, after typing hello, cursor will be after O. Check it out, everybody. Cursor is after O. Go for Control Shift left arrow. Control Shift left arrow. Hello is selected. Hello selected. After typing, cursor is in the rightmost. Cursor is immediately after O. Control Shift left arrow, it's selected. Then copy, Control C. Control C. Class name I am copying. For copying purpose, I should select. That selection can be done through Control Shift left arrow. Control C. Control S for saving. Everybody. Control S for saving. Whenever you are saving any file, everybody, whenever you are saving any file, while saving any file, you need to consider three things. While saving any file, three things. First one, location, where you have to save. Second one, name. What is the name? Third one, type or extension. Type or extension. Location, name, type. Location, where you have to save. Name, what is the name? Then type. Type. Come on, guys. What is the extension? Type. So location purpose, already in the E drive, we created one folder, July 2023 DEV. This is the folder. Go inside a folder. This is the location to save. Location to save. Come on. Location. Second one. You can see file name. File name untitled one. Select untitled one. Go for Control V. Select untitled one. Control V. You'll get a hello. Hello already copied into the clipboard. Same. So name of the file should be class name. Name of the file should be class name. That is why. Then third one, type. Already type is selected as a Java. Check it out. Already type is selected as a Java. No need of changing. While creating this file to the edit place, we told like a file new Java. File new Java. That is why Java basic statements are provided. While saving also, it is saving as a type Java. It is saving as a type Java. Control S, click on save. While saving three things, location, name, type. Location, name, type. You can check it out in the July batch. Everybody, are you able to see hello? July 2023 DEV. You should see hello. Type as a Java source file. In some operating systems, it may be showing as a hello.java. In some operating systems, it shows a hello and type as Java source file. Extension is a .java, internally .java extension. The whole file name is hello.java. Even though in my system it is showing as a hello only, the detailed file name is hello.java. While composing, you got a hello.java. Composing resulted hello.java. Composing resulted hello.java. Composing resulted hello.java. Sir, no? Composing resulted hello.java. First step got over. First step got over. Let's move to the second step. Guys, everybody. Second step is compilation. Everybody. Compilation can be done through javac command. Compilation should be only through javac command. Compilation. Only through javac command. Only through javac command. Compilation should be done only through javac command. One more point. You have to run javac command from the place where Java file is available. You should run javac command from the place where javac command is available. Compilation should be done from the place where Java file is available. Java file is available in the July 2023 DEV. Select the address bar. Everybody, select address bar. Alt D. Alt D. After going to hello.java, select the address bar. Alt D. Type CMD. Type CMD, press enter. Now you can see command prompt is opened to the E drive July 2023 hyphen, it went as a equals. Let me rename the file. Everybody? Yeah. Everybody in this location? Are you in this location in the command prompt? Trigger dir, everybody. Dir, another built-in command. Dir, another built-in command. It gives a directory information, current directory information, current directory information. In the current directory, only hello.java is there. Dir, able to do everybody? If anybody not able to do, I'll show you once again. Everybody, please observe. Windows Explorer, go to the E drive, go to July. This is the location where our Java file is saved. This is the location where our Java file is saved. Alt D, CMD, press enter. Let us trigger dir, the current directory information. Like what are the members available in the current directory? It's one of the built-in command like a set command, cls command, cd command, echo command. This is the dir. dir. It is showing hello.java. dir containing only one file, hello.java. Now trigger javac command space hello.java. Javac space hello.java. Javac space hello.java. Are you getting like this? Come on. Now check it out in the directory. You can find a new file hello.class. Are you finding one more file? Everybody? Are you finding one more file? We developed hello.java. Javac command developed hello.class. 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 What it is containing, that you'll come to know later. Compilation is done. Compilation. Second step is done. What second step resulted? Everybody? Hello.class. Hello.class. Then run Java program. Third step. You need to run Java command from the place where class file is available. You need to run the Java command from the place where class file is available. In the same location class file is available. Before that, trigger dir. Everybody? dir. You'll find two files. Earlier there was only Java file. Now you are also seeing hello.class. Sir, no. You can see hello.class class. Earlier there was only hello.java. dir. Clear the screen. Here your two files. Then Java space name of the class. The third step running. Running can be done through Java command. Running can be done through Java command. Java space class name. Only class name. Internally it will be referring hello.class. Internally it will be referring hello.class. Press enter. Are you getting a hello word? Everybody? Any other people? Guys, for better practice purpose, let us develop one more program. Close all the files. Please follow me. Even though you got errors, close all the files. Close Edit Place also. First and foremost one, Windows Explorer. Windows Explorer. Go to the E drive. in the E drive, July DEV. In my system, lot of Julys are there. That is why I choose 2023. Everybody here? Now, right click on hello.java, not the dot class, .java. Right click hello.java. Right click. You can see edit place. Right click, edit place. Straight away we opened hello.java in the edit place. You can click on I agree. This was our previous program. Let us develop a new program. Everybody, file new, Java. Everybody, file new Java. Choose the class name as hello1. Any name you can choose. For easy understanding purpose, I am mentioning hello1. Copy. This you know already. Control Shift left arrow. Take the class name. Take the class name. Control C. Name of the class is a hello1. Control C. Control S. Location July 2023 DEV. Same location. Come on. The file name. Location. Check it out. The file name. Control V. Type is a Java only. Don't change. Click on save. Please check it out. There are two files, Java files in the July batch DEV. Select the address bar, type CMD. Select the address bar, type CMD, press enter. If you wanted, you can check it out, dir. dir. Are you able to see hello1.java? Hello1.java. Now trigger Java C command. Java C. Everybody please follow me. Java C space hello1.java. Java C space hello1.java. Press enter. Are you getting this? Now check in the directory. You will be seeing hello1.class. Check in the directory. Alt tab. Hello1.class. Similarly, trigger dir command. Check it out. Hello1.class. Last step, everybody. Java space hello1. Java space hello1. Are you getting a hello word? Everybody? Java space hello1. This is how we can develop simple hello world programs. You got the output? Yes or no? So try developing few more Java files like this. Very basic hello world programs. Here we focused only 3 steps. How to compose, how to compile, how to run. While running, what is the output you are getting? While running. 3 steps are there. Detailed way of development structure I'll show you in the next class. Try composing this type of programs. Try composing these type of programs at least 5, 6. We will continue in the next day.